How do we know when the day will start all over? I guess I should know. How long can we stay here together? Our heads on the pillow, catching up sun through the window. Is it about the story where we did grow older? Don't you worry when the tick of the clock gets stuck. Hands are tied together like rows and rows of houses, and one of them you can call it home. Oh, 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 oh. Awaking in the mess, paper planes